Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So a lost GPS signal is one of the most frustrating issues in Waze. It can cause your location to jump around, show you on the wrong road or keep recalculating your route. So GPS issues can come from several sources including phone settings, battery savers, interference, or even your car's windshield. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix Waze GPS signal lost. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, check the location permissions in settings. On iPhone, go through settings, privacy, location services, find Waze, and select while using the app, or always. Also enable precise location. On Android, settings, location, make sure location is on and set the mode to high accuracy. This uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and even mobile networks for the best signal. Then try to turn on battery saver mode. Battery saver modes can turn off GPS to save power, disable battery saving or optimize your battery settings for Waze, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. Even without a connection, turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth helps improve location accuracy. Your phone uses nearby networks to estimate your position. Then make sure to position your phone correctly. Place your phone with a clear view of the sky, avoiding the dashboard or areas blocked by metal. If your car has a metallic windshield coating, try placing the phone in a different spot. Windshields with metal layers can interface with GPS signals. Also avoid metal phone cases. Then test GPS with a tool. On Android, download the GPS test app like GPS Chatches or even Toolbox. This helps you see the problem if it's a hardware related or app related. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching this. You will in the next video.